This video is going to give you an honest review of the Haloview Byte Tango BT7 TPMS with 1080p wireless backup camera, complete with real pros and cons. I have provided the link to this RV camera and tire monitoring system in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Now let's get into it. The Haloview BT7 is more than just a wireless backup cam, it's a dual-function system that combines a full-featured TPMS and a 1080p rear observation camera into one device. If you're towing a trailer, RV, or camper, this integration is a game-changer. The 7-inch monitor lets you view tire pressure and temperature in real time, right on the same screen as your rear camera view, which eliminates the need to toggle between menus. It's genuinely helpful when you're hauling a large setup and need full situational awareness on the road. One standout feature is its advanced alert system. You get customizable warnings for high or low pressure, temperature spikes, leaks, both fast and slow. Plus alerts for sensor signal loss and low battery. These aren't just mild beeps either, the warnings are visual and audio based, so you're definitely going to notice them. And the sensors themselves? They're made from aluminum alloy, so they're not only durable but also lightweight and waterproof. Great for people traveling through various climates or rainy conditions. The camera side doesn't disappoint either. It's a 1080p wide-angle camera with crystal clear video, compatible with several Haloview Byte Tango models. You can connect up to 4 cameras to the system, which means blind spots can pretty much be eliminated if you go all in. Whether you're backing into a tight campground space or keeping an eye on cargo, the visuals are sharp and smooth. The transmission range is also impressive, though for longer trailers, Haloview recommends using a repeater to maintain a solid signal. Now, it's not perfect. The interface, while improved, can take a bit of getting used to, especially when customizing display overlays or adjusting transparency levels. And although pairing is easier thanks to the Auto Learn feature, some users may still find manual ID input a little clunky. Also, while the monitor looks modern, it's more utilitarian than sleek, so don't expect flashy design aesthetics. That said, the BT7 TPMS system is built with one purpose, delivering safety and situational control to RV and trailer drivers, and it does that extremely well. You're not just getting a backup cam, you're getting peace of mind that your tires and surroundings are under constant watch. So if you're someone who drives long distances with a trailer or RV, this could seriously elevate your driving confidence.